Do you desire to have a light but satisfying meal? Then, this recipe is for you. Grilled cheese sandwiches are perfect for breakfast, lunch or late-night craving. It is a healthy, fast, and easy snack to prepare. Toaster ovens will give you a perfectly browned tasty sandwich than any other method will. Also, you can make so many sandwiches at the same time. Here's what you will need. 2 slices of your favorite bread. 2 slices provolone cheese. 2 teaspoons butter. Ham. Any other toppings of your choice. Let's get started. 1. Move your oven rack to the bottom of the toaster oven and adjust the oven setting to bake. 2. Put the baking sheet in the toaster oven. 3. Preheat the oven to a temperature of about 425 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. Spread butter on one side of each sliced bread. Then add cheese and ham in between each sliced bread. 5. Top with more butter, making sure that the buttered side is up. 6. Carefully remove the baking sheet, using a pair of oven mitts to protect your fingers. 7. Put the bread on the baking sheet and back into the toaster oven. 8. Bake bread for about 5 minutes or until the bottom is perfectly browned or toasted. 9. Remove the baking sheet and carefully turn the sandwich using a pancake turner. 10. Return the baking sheet to the toaster oven. 11. Bake for another 4 to 5 minutes or until you notice that the cheese has melted and the sandwich has a perfect brownness on the outside. 12. Remove the grilled cheese sandwich from the toaster oven and allow it to cool. You can slice the sandwich into half and serve. Did you find this video helpful? Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so you will be the first to know when we post a new video. Also check the description below for more details. And visit our website, zimtoasters.com, for more content like this. Thank you for watching.